time. Chow Pang's warming up. We've got Salamis of Thomas. And if Dave shows up, he does. If he don't, we're out of here, 9 o'clock sharp. So, keep you posted on the ride. We'll take tidbits all the way up. We'll get back to you. Have a great Sunday. It's going to be good for us. Truck show, picnic, scoot ride. We're going to have it all today. I forgot my hat. Perfect. Apparently this didn't work out well. Didn't even get to the end of my driveway. Oh, look at here. Yep, I could have tore myself off the bike and everything. That's just great. Say hi, Salamis.
Hello.
Told the other one.
Huh?
9 sharp. We're out of here.
Yeah.
And guess what?
Where's he at?
He's got 6 minutes left.
Is he up even?
He's getting a text right now.
Yeah.
Still trying to figure out why. What are you doing? The bikes are down here.
I need to clean my shield off real quick.
That's the only thing you got to clean off.
It's closer to 81 than it is 11. Yeah. But he's right up 81.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I say, you could get off 11 and it should be direct.
Well, I wanted to run 11. I want to. He said as soon as I get up above Scranton, you know, 11 sucks to that point. Check out Fonzarelli up there, dude. Look at his towel. He can't use a paper towel. He has to use a sheet. Boy, he knows where everything is, though, don't he?
Hey, that happens.
I certainly do.
Hey, you should come down here and clean mine. I used stuff on mine.
So somebody was pissed off because I was a little late today. But I was late because I was getting gas, and we're all getting gas.
Well, see, we would be on time if we weren't waiting for somebody else. Tommy, I figured out why I hate and despise this windshield. Why? Because I feel like I have bipolar. Oh. My line of sight is right over the edge of the top of this windshield.
Yeah.
Hey.
Wouldn't have that problem if you had that windshield. Just saying.
We may not be getting gas. Oh, yeah. Okay, we got to get the Italian. Well, we made it. Right, Salamis?
I guess.
Right, Fonz? That's still my hat. He took it. This is actually bigger than we thought it was going to be. There's a lot of iron here. It's going to be some great video content. We had pretty much no issues. The scoot ran good. Chow Pang. Even that. Boy, is that bike dirty. Look how dirty that bike is. Oh, my God. And the chain. Look how rusty the chain. Wow, I got to visualize on this. Look at that chain. Look how rusty that chain is. Wow.
Oh, that's just dirt.
You're an idiot. So we'll keep you posted. We're going to video most of this here, but we're definitely going to look for food before anything else because I'm getting hungry. My ass got beat up something fierce. Stay tuned. But you look at all this stuff. Yeah, you're blocking my camera, Fonz. Check that little sucker out. That's homemade. There's some neat shit here, man. We're just going to walk this side. Damn.
How you doing?
How's it going?
How many
I'm paying for him. I'm paying all 3 of them.
Free?
He's under 12. Did he get in free?
There's 10. I would tell you that.
Thank you.
Would you like tickets to vote for your favorite truck on the way out?
No, we're good. We ain't going to be here real long. Thanks. Oh, stop your whining. I don't need it. Here's a Willie's. Dude, these are rare. Huh? These are really neat because they have such the intake. Look how high the intake is on them.
Yeah.
International did that, yeah, for more torque. Because this thing probably only made 75. This thing probably to make more than 150 horsepower. Made a lot of torque. This thing is mint, and this would be great for parts. That's actually a Buick motor.
Yeah.
I used to part them out. That's how I know. And nobody wanted it. I had a dozen of them things at one time. Those motors. They're all gone now.
Oh, and the locks and all are good. They work, right? Oh yeah.
El Camino. That's a nice rig. You going over that way or what?
Yeah.
Here's a look at that. That's not a B model. I don't know what that is.
It says it on its side, ain't it? Is that decent?
No, that's something else. See, they took the cab and the sleeper.
Yeah.
Remember years now when they came out with the sleeper, like the new Freightliner, the Freightliners at work, that it's all one piece?
Yeah.
Well, Volvo came out with that and said, oh, intricate cab and sleeper. Bullshit. Look how old that is. Mac had it long before Volvo did.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well. We could use that to pull engines out with.
Yeah.
That should be big enough.
Just a little bit.
Mm.
You might be able to use that to pick the whole van up and put it right inside.
That's a nice old truck. Here's some old iron here. That's a B model. Ooh, I think I found food. Where's Knucklehead?
He was right there.
After obtaining lunch, forget it. As soon as we munch, we're gonna go check out everything. Get it. I had one of them.
Got the S10.
Yep. I love that truck. I should have never got rid of it.
The S10?
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember when he sold it or scrapped it. It was right before he got the Toyota. It was like something should have kept it. Yeah.
Ooh, look at this. So what kind of truck is that? It's a Mack, I know.
LJ.
It's all original. It's original paint and everything, dude. I love this way this is laid out. A lot of old stuff here, Chevy. It's an old Ford. Brockways. Ooh, that's a shorty. I'd hate to work on this thing because half of the motor is in the cab. Oh, hello. Cummins.
Is there an engine in there?
Barely. Cummins. Now that's a Brockway. This is pretty. Hey, it's got Mack Air Ride.
Yeah.
That was the original. That was Mack Air Ride. See the solid draft arm on the bottom? It was Mack. Mack and Ford used it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. This thing's beautiful. This thing's beautiful. Yeah, this is a beautiful truck, man.
That's what they do on them yard trucks.
Hmm.
A big beam like that. Some at the car show.
That's a nice cab over. Stretch, too. I think they actually use this yet.
When you're gone for 3 weeks,
Yeah,
try to have it.
it's a portion.
Yeah.
Here's an old fire truck. 1947. Come apart. That thing's pretty neat. That's homemade. That's pretty cool.
Looks like it's like a Chevy or one-ton dually. Yeah. Something that had the same wheelbase.
Dave, B61. That looks like a body up a Dodge.
Yeah, it could be.
The back end. It's pretty neat.
Yeah, it was long enough and it fit.
I love the color. I love the color. Here's an old one. It's got a Cummins in it. Put a newer Cummins in it. 1962. That's what I would like Cody has. That's what it has.
Yeah.
The hell is that?
There's two fifth wheels to it.
Wow. That is some heavy haul shit right there.
Yeah.
I'll have to check that out then. Truck's still making money. That's got to be mid to late 70s. Another one.
76. This one is too. This one's a
That's a newer one. There's a Super Dog over there. That thing's pretty well junk. There we go. Old Ford pickup. Okay, let's take a wild guess to see who actually knows what that is.
Detroit diesel.
Yeah, it doesn't mean anything. It is a Detroit diesel, but which one?
Got me. All I know it fits and it runs.
You give up yet?
Damn.
It looks like it's out of a loader because it looks like only a 4-cylinder.
It's 3.
Yeah.
But they especially made an exhaust manifold
Oh,
for
yeah.
it. It's
If
a
I
3.
had to.
It's a 353. You know what's neat? This thing has more than enough power, and this thing probably gets 50 miles per gallon. In this truck, oh yeah, that thing will do every bit of that.
Yeah.
And it's not turbo; it's just a blower. But see, he lowered it to make it fit. That's why I know it's not a 71; it's a 53. I wonder if he put the tranny in with it.
Hard to say.
Yep. It's got a 5-speed with it. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Here we got old Willie's.
Okay, looks like he took the Chevy 5-speed. Looks like there's an adapter plate maybe. Yeah.
Maybe. Old Willie's.
Yeah.
That looks like an old Buick right there. Auto car. These trucks still work for a living, but they work within the state. That's why I don't say a portion on them. Oh my, a General. Oh. An old Mack with integral cab. You know, the cab that wasn't built till Volvo started making it.
Yeah.
We got a Detroit or nope, Cummins. It's beige. Now that is old. Let's see what year that is. No way. No way. There's no way it's Tommy, this ain't no 76. It's a lot older than that. Then they converted it. That's the old style Freightliner I ride with the bellows. They didn't ride that great. Better than no ride at all, but what is that? A Home 750 or an 850? Some of those Holmes 850s would pull 40 ton.
Okay.
Oh yeah. An old Jeep, an old Dodge, and a Ford. It looks like a camper special.
Yeah.
Over there. Fire trucks. I bet you that is a camper special. Boy, that's a nice shape. It's like a 71. I don't feel like walking over to look at it. I hope nobody wants to come and see that thing. That. Fucking junk. Why would you bring that down here? Brockway fire truck. You don't see that very often. Not at all. Oh, wow. That's rare. Sure it is. Tom, they're rare. V8 Cummins?
Yeah.
It's either 555 or a 903. They weren't very popular because they were notorious for blowing up.
Right.
Not kidding either. That's a nice truck. 1956.
There's a Thermodyne B61.
Yeah.
Same cab.
Another B61.
That's what we took it off on.
Okay, this is all new stuff. Oh. I see an R model with a V8.
Yeah.
They were awesome. Oh, wow. There's a lot here, man. We go down that road and then come back or what?
Or we could just circle up around and then go back across.
Because we missed a row. There's a row up
Right,
there.
Because it's like it's just here and then it comes back.
We don't want to put that on video. That's junk. Wow. That's got a cat in it, but I'm not sure which one. Ain't a 4 1/4, I know that. I know what the hell that is for a motor. So many old trucks. These old Fords. Dude, are you having the same problem I am?
It's not going down.
This is like,
I'm only sipping on it here and there. Yeah.
unbelievable. That doesn't do anything justice. B model.
Yeah, I gotta go start taking pictures myself.
R models. V92. But that's also 350 horse. And something like this, oh, that's a neat toy.
Yeah.
Like a very neat toy. See, it's pretty neat. These have turbos.
Yeah.
They're considered turbocharged, but the actual Detroits are just a blower. That's a naturally aspirated. So what they did was the blower compresses air in the block. That's what it does. But by putting a turbo on,
Yeah.
the turbo actually compresses the air before it goes through the blower. So it's like double a squeeze. It's pretty neat. Yeah, you could get 350 horse out of these. They didn't run bad for a freaking V6. Yeah, they definitely did some building on this thing. But that thing's fucking loud. The biggest problem with Detroit's you couldn't put, if you put straight pipes on them, there was no back pressure. It actually hurt them. It didn't help them.
Yeah.
We went through that a couple of times.
That's exactly what I want.
That's an old truck, old army truck or something. Let's go down this row. Here's an Armano. TranStar. Learned in a couple of them. Question is, what is it? Is it a Cummins? Or is it a Detroit? That's the question. Majorities came with Cummins. Yeah, it's got a wide pipe, so. Wait. No, that exhaust is pretty high. This might be a Detroit. Yep, it is. Oh, the size of that mother. 8V92. I want this truck.
We're going this way. This would be good for you.
You can always smell a Detroit even shut off.
I'll have to take a picture of it for you.
That's a
I don't want to ruin the guy's camera.
wonder how they actually work.
All right, I'm going to go, Charles. Have a good day. Bye.
Lots of what?
It's kind of like why I ride a 36-year-old home.
Day cab Astro. $671. I kind of figured that was coming. This is actually considered a day cab cab over. Believe it or not. That's why there's no sleeper. That's why the motor sticks out the back. But that's what it's considered, a day cab cab over.
Yeah.
671, probably the 13 speed of it.
Yeah.
That's actually considered, I was telling Tommy, a day cab cab over. There is a such
I've
thing.
never seen one before.
There's no sleeper on it.
Yeah.
They ride horrible. You get the living piss beat out of you with running one of these things. I ran one. Because there's, just even with air ride.
It's probably leaf springs on it.
Oh, there is, but still.
Yeah.
Huh?
There's a double cab.
Oh, that's homemade. Geez, how do I keep getting Dave in my video? Gotta be planning that. Tell me this ain't homemade. I just put a picture on Facebook of a Super Dog with this configuration with the double cab. It's pretty neat. B61. There's a Super Dog. Hey, look, flathead 6-cylinder. International. See that? You don't see that very often.
If you say so, I haven't been in a barn since I've known you, so.
That has got some heavy suspension back of that Mac. We gotta check out this Chameleon down here. Super Dog. Antique plates on that.
Yeah.
You don't find them anymore.
No.
Yep, that's definitely a Super Dog. Honesdale, PA. Like this color on this one. I love that. Is that color neat or what?
Looks black to me. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the emblem on the hood. V8.
Yeah.
Little Brockway. That's pretty neat. I don't know. I've never seen anything like this. That is a pretty old Mac. What is it? It's got a big Cummins in it.
Oh my god! Can you imagine chasing? Oh my god.
I've never seen nothing like this. It's only got 2 drive axles, but it has 3 lift axles.
Yeah.
Which means it's got to be air ride. No. Solid suspension, swing arm suspension with springs for the drives, and the rest of it's on air. Oh, that's an addition.
Yeah.
See the big bolts? Yeah, you pull the bolts out of it and you disconnect it. So that's on there if they need the extra. What do you call it?
Extra weight.
Yep. Wow. That's pretty. I love the long hood. The way the fender rolls into the step, it's just got cool written all over it. You know? Nice Pete. Brockway. There's that. That's a Brockway, yeah. You got any pictures of this stuff? That is a nice Pete. 359. Gorgeous truck. Historical plate now. Oh, that's definitely put on a four-wheel drive chassis. These are one of my favorites, and you don't see these anymore. Ford 9000. You just don't see them anymore. They were unique because the motor set them on an angle. The motor don't sit in there straight. The turbo lays almost on the frame rail. See? Turbo's almost on the frame rail. It's got a kitty cat in it.
Oh, okay.
They did that because they tried to keep hood clearance.
Yeah.
But in order to keep, they want to keep the profile of the truck down because you notice, like, it doesn't have a really tall windshield on it.
Right.
That's why. But if they would have stood the motor straight up, they couldn't set it down low enough because it would have hit an axle.
Right.
The axle. So what they did was they laid it over
Yeah.
on its side to make everything work.
Right.
It's the same engine as regular. It just has a different bell housing. Pretty neat, huh? I just taught you something new, eh? Well, looks like we saw them all.
Yeah.
You guys ready to rock and roll?
Yeah, I guess.
Gotta go fill her up.
That junk that you got, I don't understand what's wrong with it. Okay, we're gonna get on the scoots. We're gonna head for home. Stop because somebody was almost gonna run out of gas. It's unbelievable. So, Tommy and Dave, you're still here, unfortunately. We're signing off. We'll get this uploaded later on, hopefully today. But we also have picnics to do and avoid the rain that's about to start. So, have a good day. Enjoy your holiday.